She's bobbing. She's bobbing. Okay, baby. All right, fam, I am here and I am back. So as you can see, this is the issue that we're having right now. I'm not one of those gurus that knows how to actually take the lace off while it being on my head. So I did do a little snip away, but I might just pull it off. But before I do, I did want to try this melting spray, and I got this from TEMU. So I said, let me see what this would do if I wanted to, you know, melt the lace in a little bit more. Maybe no one will be able to tell that that's right there. And I also wanted to try a new method. I wanted to see if I can put this on and actually cut the lace while it's on, and that did not go so well. But this wig, y'all, this wig is flawless. Let me get this melting spray on. Ooh, you see, look at the mistakes I be making. So just know that it's not always the unit. Sometimes it's you. You feel me? So clearly I've already made one mistake, and this just goes to show you that nothing is perfect, honey. People might come on and be like, oh, look at this flawless install. No, it's never like that. So I'm gonna try to dab that off of my face really quick. Some tissue. We can always touch up makeup later. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Let me see if I can get this on my fingers. Might be a better. If any of y'all have any suggestions, honey, feel free to bring them on in. Bring them on in. This actually does smell good. I don't know why I said it didn't. So if you guys watch my vlog, then you would know that I was like, it smells like chemicals. I think that's because I just took the top off and smelt it right there. But look at that, y'all. Already, I know it's probably not showing up too well on camera, but in person, I'm like, oh shoot, that thing melted right into my skin, honey, okay? Let me see if I can get this on something, because this finger technique is not working. So these, I guess, are the do's and don'ts if you don't know what you're doing with your wig. But she feels amazing, y'all. She feels so good. So I'm gonna just put some on the back of this. Oh, that's so much better. Lord have mercy. Because I'm over here trying to get this glue. And so what it's doing is it's actually melting right into my skin color, or makeup, I guess you could say. And I'm gonna put a band on my head and tie it down, and we're gonna see what that looks like. But sometimes the band can get stuck and cause it to look gross. You know what I'm saying? And so I absolutely hate that. So this is definitely a good method if this works out well. Do y'all see this? It's literally melting into my skin, y'all. I want to see how this is gonna hold up. Shall we put a band on and see what it do, baby boo? Yes, we shall. Because sometimes when you pull the band off, it's like gooey stickiness, and I absolutely hate that. I gotta hold this thing in place. So I'll be back with the finished look. Pray for me, y'all. Okay, so I figured while we wait with this headband on and pray for the best, okay? I did want to get into the box details because I didn't know if you guys could see it, but this is really cute. The fact that it says that right there, all hail your hair. And then when you pull out the sleeve, like, this is really thoughtfully crafted. This is going to be really, really good. And this is something that I say all the time. Like, I double say things. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but I do. So sometimes I'll be like, oh, that was really, really good. And I'm like, oh my gosh, the fact that the box said that was so good. So it's literally been on for like, I want to say 5 minutes now. Y'all, I'm super excited. Like, I've been dying to get my hands on some MAYVENN hair. And hello, your girl is an ambassador. And I'm like, I ain't got no MAYVENN hair to show these people. So I finally did. They had a sale, and I think the sale is still going on, and this unit is absolutely fire. Absolutely gorgeous. Like, do y'all see this? When I say the hair is super soft, it is so soft. The one thing I will say is make sure that you cut the lace off, unless you know how to do that, honey, unless you know how to do that. Cut the lace off first, then put it on piece by piece. And another way that you could do it would probably be with the glue, I was gonna say glue stick. Let me see if I could find some here, because I have glue tape. And something told me, like, put it on with some glue tape, girl. What are you doing? And I was like, no, I have to try, because you know what? Practice makes perfect, but it didn't work in this occasion. So it might still turn out good, honey. We got a couple of minutes left to go. I just want to leave it on there for a good amount of time and then take it off. Another thing that you could use is like glue tape, and you could get these strips on Amazon. If I find the link, I will definitely leave it to where I got these from. You do have some that do have shine on them. So once you put the wig on, you will see like the glue shining through. So you want to make sure you get the ones that's no shine. And I don't know why I put it back in the bag, child. And that's exactly what these are. So these are the no shine strips. And like I said, I'll leave the link for all of this stuff in the description box. Please feel free to go ahead and check out MAYVENN hair. The link will be down in the description box. With my code, I believe you save 20% off. But if anything, I will have it up here just so you guys know. But when you use my link, you're gonna get that anyway. So use the link, you don't need the code, and you'll be fine. But yeah, y'all, this melting spray, if it works, if I find this on Amazon, I will leave the link for this as well. But like I said, your girl did get it from TEMU. And I'm absolutely here for it if it works. So I don't know, do you guys think 5 minutes has been a long enough time? Oh my gosh. Okay, I do like the fact that it came with this velvety smooth band too. So I wasn't sure if this was going to be like one of the bands that you could put on top of your lace to like hold it down, because I know these to be like wig grip bands. So like when you put the wig on and you want to keep your wig in place, you use this. That's so it doesn't slip and slide while you're putting it on. So that's pretty much the use that I use these for. So I don't know if they were incorporating this as, you know, as one of these, okay? All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and take this off and see what it's looking like. Oh my gosh. Oh, you see the whole stickiness? That's the part I hate. So you gotta peel it off real slow, honey, real slow. Okay. Okay, baby, let's go. Let's go, baby. Look at the melting spray. Well, don't pay attention to that because I didn't hit that because that's where my that's where my actual hairline is. But baby, the melting spray worked. This wig is fire, and if I wore it, I would definitely do the tuck behind the ear method. Okay, push some of that hair forward so we don't see that lace acting a fool. But I am here for this. Let me turn around and show y'all what the wig is looking like, because this is, oh my gosh. She is absolutely gorgeous. She is absolutely gorgeous. Y'all, I wish I would have hit that other side with the lace melt, because it definitely melted the lace, honey. Like the lace wear. And y'all know that lace was out to here. Like, what? So this is good because you can now take some baby hairs and, you know, make some baby hair swoops and stuff like that. And you won't see the fact that there's lace there. You know what I'm saying? But I like the unit just the way it is. I really don't want to do anything to it. Besides the fact that I couldn't hit this spot, like I said, because this is where my hairline is. So I should have pulled the wig a little bit more forward. But honey, do you see the ash and what's going on here? And then how melted it is right here. You can't barely even tell that I have a lace. Super happy. So yes, y'all, this video probably should have been what to use to melt that lace when you make a mistake, okay? But other than that, let's get into styling her, because I definitely want to see if she's gonna hold a curl, which I know she is, because baby, this hair is super baby soft. Like, I'm loving this hair. For real, like y'all can't even tell me nothing with this hair. We're gonna go in with our flat iron, and we're gonna do this in real time, honey, so y'all can see what she do and how she react, okay? I'm not gonna be on here trying to be like, y'all, this hair is bomb. And then you get it and you're like, child, who was lying? But I'm telling you, this hair feels amazing. And the lace, beautiful, absolutely beautiful, y'all. Oh my goodness, I'm about to put some of that melting stuff right there. For real. And then of course, like I always say, make sure you do your sideburns because we don't want to see that, okay? This is more or less kind of like a review of the hair and what they're working with. And besides the fact that your girl is a Maven ambassador, it really doesn't matter, because I'm gonna come on here and give you my honest opinion. Like, all the wigs that I show you guys is hair that I truly believe in and I like, and I wear on a daily basis, you know what I'm saying? So it's not like I'm just out here saying something and it's not true. So as you can tell, like, I'm loving this. I'm just running my fingers through it, honey, and my sideburns are so low. Do you see that? Like, so for me to glue this, I just don't do that. Coming up with another method of a way that I think I want to do it, because I don't want to be that person that actually has to cut the ear out, but you can in those instances, and I have done it. As you can see, you still have excess lace right here. So if you wanted to do that, you could definitely cut the lace out. But for me, I just do this little tuck in method so that you can't see it. And once all of this lace is off, I'm gonna come back. Not in this video, but I'm gonna come back with the lace fully gone, and then I'm gonna put it back on. And I'll probably leave just a little bit of lace so I have something to adhere, you know? But I'm gonna come back on. But yeah, I just do this tuck up and under with the lace that's there. If you're a type of person that doesn't want to do those things like I don't, and then I tuck it behind the ear. And once again, like I said, this will be glued down. I missed that spot. And then you just pull out some sideburns, honey, you good to go. Or even you want to take hair from here and make that your sideburn, you know? So yeah, if you wanted to make that your sideburn, you can do that as well, and then tuck the rest behind your ear. But honey, we leaving this hair out. So let's go ahead with this flat iron. I wish I should have just came on here live, honestly. Look, oh my gosh. She is just, ooh, she's bobbing. She's bobbing. Okay, baby. Like, I'm in love, honey. This is straight out the box. I didn't even do nothing to it. Straight out the box, baby. Okay, so we're on 380 degrees. That's what it's on. And that's pretty much for like fragile hair. I can go a lot higher. I just turned her on and that's what it came on to. So that's what we're gonna work with right now. And right now I'm just gonna see if I could get a little bump out of her. Oh, yes, yes. Let me do this part again. Now, my curling iron, on the other hand, is downstairs, but I will definitely try to see if I can get a little something going in here. Oh, wait, you like that, huh? You like that? Cause I like that. Y'all see that? Baby, baby, the hair is popping, okay? Like your girl is here for this. Do you see this curl? Oh my gosh, yes. So yes, you can definitely curl this hair. This is 100% human hair. I'll put the description up on the screen so you guys can see that because I do not have it in front of me. But look at that, oh my gosh, that's really it's actually kind of cute there. Let me see if I can get the other side. Y'all, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Absolutely here for it. Ooh, yes, baby. What? Do you see that? Oh my gosh. Where are we going tonight, honey? Where are we going tonight, baby? Because your girl is looking good. Okay, y'all, so I ain't gonna hold y'all any longer, but I did want to come and show you this unit from MAYVENN Hair. Hold on. And the fact that it comes with a guide to care for your hair, that's also pretty cool. You got the different types of hair textures in there and stuff of that nature, how to wash it, and then how to keep your bundles, if bundles is what you want to get, homie, okay? Because sometimes we need a little bundle in our life. But I am impressed by the unit. Listen, it's the unit all day for me, baby. So we will have 2 other units up on this channel, and I'm super duper happy, my curly niestas. I love you guys. Hair care tips and hair care stuff, there's a lot in here. So this is really, really cool, like before your service. So let's say you got this wig and you were going to a MAYVENN hairstylist. You can do that as well, and they tell you exactly what you need to know before you go see your stylist, and they install your unit. So that might be something that I could do as well, because you know, when you buy your unit, you could go to MAYVENN, a MAYVENN hair salon, and have them install the unit or whatever for you and do your sewing and all that good stuff. And I believe it's free. Don't quote me, but I believe it's free. Okay. I'm not gonna hold you anymore. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It was a bit much, but this is me. This is all me. This is how I come to you guys all the time. You know, not all the time everything has to be like so professional, you know, mistakes happen, things happen, and I like to share that journey along with you. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to be like, oh darling, this is flawless, and then you're like, bitch, I see that. So no, I love to come and show you the real, the good, the raw, the bad, the ugly. But baby, she turned out so good, and I am so excited. I am so here for her. Oh my gosh, like if you come close, of course you could see like the demarcation, but baby, you can't see the lace. Like this is some good lace. This is some good hair, and I absolutely love the fact of the curl in the front. I love that bump. Yes. Okay, y'all. Okay. As you can tell, the girl is definitely feeling herself. Like I said, I'm not gonna hold you any longer. We did our little half up, half down, so you can do that. And I will see you guys in my next review. I'm super excited. All right, bye.